Today we're going to learn a simple way to remember the tarsal bones of the foot and ankle. There are a total of 7 tarsal bones that articulate with each other. There's going to be a future EasyMed video that goes in more detail on the foot, but the purpose of today's video is to give you a simple method to remember the position and anatomy of these tarsal bones, and you can do so by using the following mnemonic. Talus covers Navicular, Navicular covers Cuneiforms. I like this mnemonic because not only does it help you remember the names of the tarsal bones, but it also helps you remember the position of them. So the following names using the mnemonic are going to be Talus, Calcaneus, Navicular, Cuboid, and Cuneiforms. Let's go ahead and label these bones on the image. So if we go through the mnemonic, we start off with Talus covers Navicular. So we'll start off with the talus. You can see the talus is in a position that's going to allow it to articulate with the lower leg. So you can remember that this bone is called the talus because it starts with T and it's going to articulate with the tibia, which also starts with T. Now if we use the mnemonic, we know that the talus is going to cover the navicular bone and the navicular bone is going to cover the cuneiform bones. There are a total of 3 cuneiform bones, and they're known as the medial, intermediate, and lateral. Now we only have 2 more tarsal bones to label. If we go back to the mnemonic, we can see there's 2 words we haven't used, and they're both of the covers. The 2 covers will help you remember that the last 2 tarsal bones start with C, and they're Calcaneus and Cuboid. Now what's an easy way to remember which one is the Calcaneus and which one is the Cuboid? Well, there's a couple ways here. First, the Calcaneus is the largest tarsal bone, and Calcaneus is a longer word than Cuboid. Also, if you look at their general shape, the cuboid is shaped more like a cube than the Calcaneus is. Lastly, the 7 tarsal bones as a whole make up the hindfoot and midfoot. The hindfoot includes the Calcaneus and talus, whereas the midfoot includes the cuboid, navicular, and 3 cuneiform bones.